So everybody tells you that a W-2 job or a 9 to 5 is the complete opposite of freedom. But I'm here to tell you that the right 9 to 5 is the key to unlock more time, skills, and opportunities for your version of a better life.
That's a good ass job.
You might be feeling stuck or even bound to your 9 to 5. Maybe your dream of more flexibility, a chance to learn new things, or even pursue a passion project or a side business outside of work just ain't happening right now. But let's be honest, quitting and chasing rainbows, that's not always the answer. But what if I told you that your day job, the very routine that you probably itching to escape, could be the key to unlocking more freedom and fulfillment for yourself? Let me put you on real quick. Your day job, if you got the right one, it's not a roadblock for you. It's actually a way for you to level up. Now, I'm not talking about becoming a millionaire with a side hustle or something crazy like that, what these other people be talking. I'm talking about strategic thinking, resource hacking, and using your 9 to 5 to unlock more time, skills, and opportunities for your version of a better life. You can transform your day job into a launchpad for personal growth, financial growth, and satisfaction. Imagine if you could reclaim your time, develop valuable skills, and even pursue hobbies or interests that you like to do, all while keeping the stability of your day job. I know it sounds too good to be true, but it's not. Whether you're a data analyst, a graphic designer, or a customer service expert, your seemingly normal job holds a lot of potential. So I'm gonna give you 3 key strategies to turn your day job into a personal way to level up. So first off, we got delegation and automation. If you're feeling bogged down by repetitive tasks, the good news is you can reclaim your time for your personal pursuits, because you already do it anyway, low key. Most people do. Most people who work an 8-hour day are not working for 8 hours. Most people are probably doing 5 max and then 3 hours, probably not consecutively, but 3 hours you goofing off on the phone, you taking an extended lunch break. I'm not saying all jobs are capable of doing this, but a lot of them are. Like, I would probably say a good majority of them are. If you're not in the field or something, you at that office, you probably on your phone, on Instagram, you scrolling, you doing something you ain't supposed to be doing. A lot of people do this. That just is what it is. But if you can identify tasks that can be delegated to colleagues, automated with tools, or streamlined with better processes, you'll be much better off. Now, I'm not saying to just pass the buck. I'm saying you need to become so good at your job that you find better ways to do it. So for instance, one time when I was working in casino analytics, I inherited a very large report. This report on average took about 3.5 hours to complete, and it was extremely tedious. So what did I do? I had to step my game up because I was not about to be doing this report daily. So what did I do? I stepped my game up. I had to learn a little bit of Python. I had to get deeper into VBA and Excel, and I automated as much of it as I could. So I took it down from 3 hours to about 45 minutes to an hour. And that freed up all that extra time for me to go back to doing what I was doing, which at the time was I was studying for the GMAT, I believe, because I was going to get my MBA. So I automated that report, but I did not tell anybody that I had automated it. I just let them keep thinking that I was taking 4 hours a day to do this. And that extra time, I was just at work studying for my GMAT. So I had to get so good at my job that I had to learn 2 new skills. I had to learn a lot more VBA, and I had to learn some basic, probably a little bit higher level than basic levels of Python. I already knew SQL, so Python wasn't that much difficult to learn the basics of, but still, sometimes in order to free up time at your job, you got to get better. You got to become so good at your job that ain't nobody questioning what you're doing. Even now in my current role, I'm the go-to guy for a lot of things. When people need something from me, they know with 100% certainty that it's going to be delivered of high quality. And even the regular business is handled. It's something that my leadership does not have to worry about, because they know if it's coming from me, is good. And that type of work ethic and skill at my job allows me to, half the day I'm looking at real estate deals, I'm looking at crypto stuff, I'm in Discord a lot at work because I'm making sure I'm staying up to date with what's going on in crypto. And right now I'm studying for my PMP examination. Most of my studying is done at work. And that's because you have to get that good at your job to where you can automate and delegate. So tip 2, learning and development. Your day job is not just about paychecks. It can be a treasure trove of free learning and development opportunities. A whole lot of companies offer online courses, conferences, workshops, and even internal mentorship programs. You definitely don't want to miss out on that. Upskill yourself with your day job's resources and become more empowered as an individual for your own stuff. And the last tip I got is, I kind of touched on this a little bit, but work ethic and ownership. Even if your day job is not your dream or your passion, developing a strong work ethic and taking ownership of your task is valuable. Delivering excellent results builds confidence, credibility, and valuable transferable skills. If you can demonstrate your professionalism and your commitment, you build a strong foundation for personal growth and achievement in any area of your life. What's the saying? How you do anything is how you do everything. So don't slack off at work. Okay, so now let's get practical. Look at your day job with a new lens. Identify resources, skills, and learning opportunities that you can leverage. Can you delegate tasks to free up time? Can you automate something? Can you learn something new so you can automate it if you don't know how? Can you use your company resources to upskill yourself? How can you apply your work ethic and your ownership mindset to personal goals and interests? Remember, it's not about neglecting your job. It's about working smarter, not harder, to unlock your personal potential. But yeah, that's all I got for y'all. You should now be able to recognize how you can leverage your 9 to 5 to get more of what you want to get done at work. I know some people might think the integrity of that is kind of crazy, but it is what it is. Most people not sitting at work working for the whole time anyway. All I'm suggesting is take that extra time and do something that can actually benefit yourself instead of scrolling or pretending like you're busy. That's all I'm saying. But yeah, let me know what you think in the comments. Make sure you share this with somebody you think might want to hear it. And make sure you hit that like button. It take a second and it helped me with the algorithm. And hit subscribe too if you found this valuable. And remember, personal fulfillment or whatever you're trying to do, it does not have to wait. Start hacking your day job today and watch your life transform.
That's a good ass job. I've been the man and they all love me, tired of being broke.